It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, which means the red cups are coming out, the festive drinks are starting, and everyone is just loading up their sugar intake. Whilst that can taste really good, unfortunately, all of that sugary, sweet, artificial stuff is going to wreak havoc with your periods and your health and your moods. So I'm going to teach you a really great way of packing in the festivities and also nourishing your body from the inside at the same time. So come join me while I talk about how to make a Nut-Nog. So now we're going to pour a cup of water into the saucepan just to heat it up. So the water is going to form the base of our cashew milk. Rather than using lots of packaged ingredients, we're going to take a cup of water with 1/4 cup of soaked cashews. Now we're going to sweeten this up with some natural dates. So we're going to take 1½ dates, you can adjust accordingly. It's just going to bring a natural sweetness to this drink. Going to make it extra creamy with 1/2 banana. Again, for creaminess, bit of an avocado in there, about 1/4 avocado. And fats in the avocado are so good for hormone health as well. Now we're going to go in for the festive flavours. We're going to do about, maybe let's say 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, about 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, and just the teeny tiniest bit of cloves. Now it's time to blend it all up. Don't ever let anyone tell you that you cannot enjoy the festivities and be healthy at the same time. You absolutely can. You just nourish your body, upgrade your food, and you'll feel fantastic the whole season long. Cheers!